Welcome everyone. Today we're going to be installing the hood on the Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is going to be the first video in the whole process of installing the whole full front. So let's go ahead and get started. You're able to do it with just one person by first spraying the hood with slip solution and then just laying the sheet on top. Once unrolled, peel the corner and tack it down. To tack it down, just squeegee out any water underneath the film. Once it's tacked down, you'll be able to peel the rest of the hood by yourself. Once peeled, lift the film and spray slip solution under the film. Move the film around and make sure nothing is getting stuck. If so, lift the film and spray slip solution underneath the film. So before starting, you're going to want to align the cutout to the emblem so everything could just fall into place. Make sure to add tack solution underneath and on top so your squeegee can glide and just tack it into place. Remove any big water bubbles under the film with your hand. To make the installation easier, squeegee the hood down the middle and to divide the word. The next step is to squeegee down the middle and make sure there's nothing being held down. If you run into this problem where you have fingers coming all up on the hood, just spray some tack solution on your towel. And with the heat gun, try to get all that water out. So with adding tack solution on a towel, you're gonna go ahead and with your heat gun, heat up all the edges and just tuck in. It's gonna take some time, so just be patient and just keep working with the film. Alright, once everything is tucked in, just make sure there are no water bubbles or any wrinkles sticking out from the PPF. But other than that, if you have any questions, comment below, and thank you for watching.